total settlement of the kingdom of heaven on earth. This is the total definition, really, guys. Hello, dosto. This is Shining Star, and you are all welcoming on the channel Peace and Unity. And today we are going to discussing about the definition of Islam. That this is the question that always arises by the side of many pupils. That what's the real definition of the Islam? And I am going to discuss it about it right now. And if you have keep this definition in your mind, you will definitely understand the Islam 100% whenever you will go through it. Whenever you will go through it. So I am give you two definition. First, the individual pupil, and second, a collective pupil. Individual means the person who have submitted their will fully to the one monistic God. What it is mean? It's a very broad term. In first, he accepted the belief in only one God who is the creator, who is the holder, and who will be a destroyer of this universe. And at the same time, they also accepted that their life will be according to the commandment of the God. Their life will be fully according to the commandment of the God. Please note this point. So, what is the sign of the people that who submitted their will to the God? That they will never allow to be a lying. They will not allow to dwell with anyone, and they are not allowed to broke the promise to anyone. This is the sign of the people who have submitted their will to the God in a real manner. This is the definition of the pupil for individual. Okay, and I am going to tell you the definition for a collective pupil. If there is a 10 people who submitted their will fully to the God, so what's its correct definition? If the 10 people in any society who accepted the Islam, so they are meditated that their whole system of life will be according to the will or commandment of the God, whether it be a social, whether it be economical, whether it be a political. That's why Michael H. Hart, the author of the book The 100, who listed the most influential personalities of human era of all time, and he listed the Prophet Muhammad on the top of the list, and he says that he is the only person who is supremely success in spiritual and secular both the field of human life. In a nutshell, if I am described that he is the only person who not spiritualize the pupil but spiritualize the whole system of the life which is related to the human, whether it be a social, whether it be a economical, whether it be a political. So there is a total settlement of the kingdom of the heaven on the earth or on the human. So this is the full definition of Islam. Whenever you will go through it and whenever you will study Quran, you will find this essence and this definition fully. So thank you so much. Hope you all understand this, and share this video as much as you can and subscribe the channel first. So thank you so much.